These skeleton videos are getting millions of views, and almost nobody realizes how easy they are to make. I'm talking about those transparent body animations showing exactly what's happening inside you in real time. Glowing organs, beating hearts, blood flowing through your veins. And the channels posting these are absolutely blowing up. Creators going from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in weeks. Others hitting 200,000 in their first month. Some pulling millions of views on their very first upload. Now I know what you're thinking. Those animations look insane. There's no way I could make something like that. I thought the exact same thing. When I first saw these videos, I assumed you needed a full animation studio, expensive software, or years of experience. But here's the reality. You don't need any of that. Once you understand how this works, you'll see that most of the heavy lifting is already done for you by AI. In this video, I'm walking you through the entire process from start to finish. No steps skipped, no fluff, just the exact system. Let's get into it. The overall plan. This entire process comes down to 5 stages. First, you develop your idea and script. Second, you generate scene images using AI. Third, you animate those images into clips. Fourth, you combine everything into a finished video. And fifth, you export and upload. That's it. 5 stages. And once you've done this once, you can repeat it over and over again. Because you're not just making one video, you're building a repeatable production system. We're using 2 tools for everything. ChatGPT for scripting and prompts, and Clippy for image generation, animation, and editing. 2 tools. 1 complete workflow. Let's start from the beginning. Step 1. Your video idea. The first thing you need is a strong idea, because this determines whether your video gets 300 views or 3 million. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate high-performing video ideas in the skeleton explainer niche. Tell it you want topics people are already searching for, questions where the demand already exists before anyone even clicks. Things like, what happens inside your body when you don't sleep? What does sugar actually do to your organs over time? What's happening inside you the moment you start drinking alcohol? These work because the curiosity already exists. People read the title, think, I actually want to know that, and they click. Pick one idea, lock it in, and everything builds from here. Step 2. Image prompts. Now we turn that idea into visuals. Go back into ChatGPT and ask it to break your idea into scene-by-scene image prompts, where each one describes a specific moment in the story you're telling. Be specific about the style. Tell it you want a transparent human body with glowing internal organs, high-detail anatomy, clean cinematic lighting, and a dark background that makes the internal details stand out. You'll get a full set of prompts, one for each scene, already structured to generate exactly the visual style you see in viral skeleton videos. Copy everything and keep it organized. You'll be referencing these throughout the whole process. Step 3. Your voiceover script. In the same ChatGPT session, ask it to write a complete script that matches your scenes. Tell it to keep the language conversational and natural, to match each section to a specific scene, and to avoid sounding like a textbook. You'll get a full script aligned to your visuals. Now here's a step most people skip. Read through it once before moving on. If something feels robotic or awkward, fix it. Your delivery is what keeps people watching, so it's worth a few minutes of attention here. But there's one more thing you should do here, and almost nobody talks about it. Before you move on, read your script out loud once. Not in your head. Actually speak it. Because what sounds fine when you read it silently can feel completely different when you hear it. Sometimes sentences are too long. Sometimes the pacing feels off. Sometimes you realize you're using words you wouldn't normally say. And that matters more than you think. Because this style of video isn't about sounding smart. It's about sounding clear and natural. If a line feels slightly awkward when you say it, it will feel even more awkward to the viewer listening. So simplify it. Shorten your sentences. Make it flow like a real conversation. Make it sound like you're explaining something to a friend, not reading from a script. This small step alone can dramatically increase your watch time, because people stay when it feels easy to listen. And once that's done, now you're ready to move forward. Step 4. Reference skeleton image. Now we move into Clippy. Open the AI playground and go to the image generator. Before generating your scenes, you need to create one thing first, a reference image. Without it, each scene you generate could look completely different. Different proportions, different lighting, different style. A reference image keeps everything anchored to the same visual throughout the video. Select the Nano Banana Pro model and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Describe a transparent human body with glowing internal organs, clean cinematic lighting, and a dark background. Generate it, download it, and keep it. This becomes your visual template for every scene. Step 5. Scene images. Now we build your visuals. Take your first scene prompt, paste it into Clippy's image generator, and upload your reference image alongside it. Generate, download, then move to the next scene. Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4. Same process every time. Once you get into a rhythm, this goes fast. Most people can finish all their scenes in under 15 minutes. If an image doesn't look right, tweak the wording slightly and regenerate. Step 6. Animation prompts. Go back into ChatGPT and ask it to generate an animation prompt for each scene, describing what movement should be visible. You'll get descriptions like lungs slowly expanding with each breath, the heart beating rhythmically, blood flowing through arteries, muscles contracting and releasing. These details are what make the videos feel dynamic and real, and they're what keep viewers watching. We're wired to pay attention to movement, especially when it looks biological and familiar. Copy your full list and keep it paired with the corresponding scenes. Step 7. Animating your images. Back in Clippy, open the video generator and select the Cadence Pro model. Set it to text to video 9:16, 1080p, 5 seconds. Paste your animation prompt, upload your image, and generate. Within about a minute, you'll have a fully animated clip. Download it and repeat for every scene. If a clip doesn't look right, adjust the prompt and try again. More specific language almost always produces better results. Instead of organs moving, try lungs slowly expanding with each breath, ribcage gently rising and falling. Step 8. Building the final video. Go into Clippy's AI story feature, paste your full script, and click Generate Scenes. Then replace each placeholder with your actual animated clips, and adjust the timing so the visuals match what's being said. This is where the video either feels professional or amateurish. When the visuals line up with your narration. When the heart animation is on screen as you're talking about the heart, the whole thing clicks into place. Take your time here. Step 9. Music, captions, and export. Add background music and keep it subtle. Something atmospheric and cinematic works best for this style. It should add atmosphere without ever overpowering the voiceover. Select smooth transitions. Add captions that are bold and readable, and position them high enough so they don't block your anatomical visuals. Review the video once from start to finish, then export. Done. What to expect? This works. The videos look genuinely impressive, and this niche is still early enough that new channels can grow fast. But tools alone won't make you successful. Consistency will. The channels growing fastest are posting regularly, testing topics, and paying attention to what works over time. So your goal right now isn't a perfect first video. It's your first video, then your second, then your third. Every video you make, your prompts get sharper, your timing gets tighter, and the whole process gets faster. Every big channel in this niche started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is they didn't stop. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. The only question left is what you do with it.